Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. Has life ever tossed you a curveball where you had to choose between two equally tempting or challenging options? That's what we call a fork in the road. Imagine you're wandering through a serene rural landscape when suddenly the road splits into two. This is not just a traveler's dilemma, but a common metaphor in English, representing a crucial point where a decision is needed. A fork in the road often pops up during life's significant crossroads, whether it's choosing a career, moving to a new city, or even deciding what to have for dinner. It's handy in daily conversations, especially when discussing life-changing choices. So, next time you are at a pivotal moment, share it by saying, "I'm at a fork in the road." It's a great way to express your situation and kickstart a conversation. Now I'm curious, what has been a fork in the road moment for you? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this idiom interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more insights into everyday English.